Live from Orlando, it's Hamcation. Hey there, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. If you've seen this particular clip before, it's because I'm using this as a generic open. That way I don't have to, I can cut between different things and make it easier to edit. So I hope you enjoy the content that's coming up for you right after the opening sequence. All right, back here at Orlando Hamcation, and look who we've ran into, Nancy KB2TNR from the Raleigh Hamfest, better known as RARSfest. We went last year, not going to have the opportunity to go this year, but that don't mean you shouldn't go. It's going to be a fantastic event. Nancy, when is it this year?
It is April 4th. Now, that is, full disclosure, that is Easter Saturday weekend. We are always the first weekend in April, and we know every couple of years we're going to bump into the holiday. However, if you wanted to make it a whole weekend, Gabriel Iglesias is performing at the Lenovo on April 3rd, and that night the Canes will be taking on the Islanders right next door to us, also at the Lenovo Center. So we are a large Hamfest. We might be one of the largest ones that you've not heard of or not attended. We are 100,000 square feet, all indoors, climate controlled. Our commercial cellars, more than 250 flea market spots, forums, testing, all of it, restaurant, all under one roof in Raleigh.
It's a fantastic event, and guys, I will link somewhere in this video my walkthrough from last year, and I was just blown away. The flea market, I've got to say, the flea market is just impressive. It is huge.
We sell out at least 250 tables, and usually they have another 25 people. We will manage to accommodate everybody, but every year we're adding new dealers and sellers. HRO comes to us. Quicksilver with their new owners, they've committed to coming to us. So check out our website, www.rarsfest.org, to learn more. We've got RV parking right next to the building. We've got facility RV parking right down the road. And Raleigh is a lovely place in April.
It certainly is, and I've never been to Raleigh up until last year, and I really enjoyed my time, not just at the Hamfest, but in town. There's so much to see, so much to do. I think you're going to like it. Make your plans. Easter weekend.
This year, Easter weekend.
Easter weekend this year, and I think you'll enjoy it. Any other final thoughts or anything new this year that folks can look forward to?
We've really got a very robust forum schedule. We've been really working on forums, and we've got a killer one about amateur radio and AI. And I kind of wish I had the time to stay in that room for that. I'm really interested. It's Nathan Best. I'm really interested to hear what he's going to have to say. We do also do Skywarn training every year, so I feel like, especially in the state of North Carolina, where we've been getting rocked with some pretty interesting weather the last couple of years, they do a fantastic job. So come on over and check us out.
Absolutely. Go check them out one more time. What's the website to find you?
www.RARSfest, RARSF as in Frank, EST.org, and learn more about us.
Awesome. Go check them out. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.